Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, English Waves. I'm Ben. 5 years ago, I was sitting in a college advisor's office. She asked me, "What are your educational goals?" And I just stared at her blankly. I had dreams. I wanted to learn more. I wanted to grow, but I couldn't find the words. I said something like, "I want to study more and be better?" She looked at me with such concern. I didn't know words like pursue higher education, develop expertise, achieve proficiency. I couldn't express what I truly wanted because I lacked the vocabulary. That moment changed my life. I realized that to reach my goals, I first needed to articulate my goals. I needed the language of education and ambition. And now I can say, I'm pursuing a master's degree. I'm working to enhance my teaching skills. I aim to become an expert in my field. These words give my dreams structure. Today, I want to share that power with you. We're learning educational goals vocabulary, the language that transforms wishes into plans. And to help me today, my amazing co-host Anna is here. Anna, what's one of your educational goals?
Hi everyone! My goal is to achieve near native fluency in English and eventually obtain my teaching certification.
Beautiful. Achieve near native fluency. Obtain certification. See how specific that is?
Today, we'll teach everyone how to express their learning dreams clearly and powerfully.
By the end, you'll articulate your educational goals like a pro.
Let's unlock your potential.
Here we go.
Let's start by understanding different types of educational goals.
Academic degree goals.
Earn a degree, obtain a diploma, pursue higher education, get certified, complete a program.
Earn a degree or obtain a degree means successfully finish university.
Pursue higher education means continuing after high school. Get certified means obtain professional certification.
I want to earn a bachelor's degree. I'm pursuing a master's. I plan to get my teaching certificate.
Types of degrees.
Associate degree, bachelor's degree, master's degree, doctorate degree, PhD, undergraduate, graduate.
Associate degree is 2 years. Bachelor's degree is 4 years. Master's is 1 to 2 years after bachelor's.
Doctorate or PhD is the highest degree, usually 4 to 7 years.
Undergraduate means bachelor's level. Graduate means master's or doctorate level.
I'm an undergraduate student. She's in graduate school. He's working on his PhD.
Skills development goals.
Develop skills, improve abilities, enhance knowledge, build competence, master a subject.
Develop skills means create new abilities. Enhance knowledge means make existing knowledge better.
Master a subject means become expert. Build competence means become capable.
I want to develop my writing skills. I'm working to enhance my knowledge. My goal is to master calculus.
Language learning goals.
Achieve fluency. Improve proficiency. Reach native level. Become bilingual. Expand vocabulary.
Achieve fluency means speak smoothly and naturally. Improve proficiency means get better.
Reach native level means speak like a native speaker. Very high goal.
I want to achieve fluency in English. My goal is to improve my Spanish proficiency. I'm working to become bilingual.
Now let's learn powerful action verbs for describing educational goals.
These make your goals sound professional and clear.
Pursue, achieve, attain, obtain, acquire, earn, complete, finish.
Pursue means actively work toward. Achieve means successfully reach.
Attain and obtain are formal, mean reach or get. Acquire means gain or get.
I'm pursuing a degree in engineering. I want to achieve excellence. I plan to obtain my license.
More specific action verbs.
Develop, enhance, improve, strengthen, build, expand, deepen, broaden.
Develop means create or grow. Enhance means make better. Strengthen means make stronger.
Expand means make larger. Deepen means make more profound. Broaden means make wider.
I want to develop leadership skills. I need to enhance my technical knowledge. I'm working to broaden my perspective.
Verbs for learning processes.
Study, learn, master, grasp, comprehend, understand, absorb, assimilate.
Master means become expert. Grasp means understand clearly. Comprehend is formal for understand.
Absorb means take in information. Assimilate means integrate knowledge.
I'm studying economics. I want to master this subject. I need to grasp these concepts.
Verbs for demonstrating ability.
Demonstrate, apply, utilize, implement, practice, perform, execute.
Demonstrate means show your ability. Apply means use in practice.
Utilize is formal for use. Implement means put into action. Execute means carry out.
I can demonstrate my skills. I want to apply what I learned. I need to practice regularly.
Now let's learn how to describe your educational journey.
Talking about current studies.
I'm currently studying. I'm enrolled in. I'm taking courses in. I'm majoring in.
I'm currently studying shows present activity. Enrolled in means officially registered.
Majoring in means your main subject at university. Minoring in is secondary subject.
I'm currently studying computer science. I'm enrolled in an online program. I'm majoring in biology.
Talking about past education.
I graduated from, I earned my degree in, I completed my studies in, I attended.
Graduated from means finished a school. Earned my degree shows accomplishment.
Completed my studies means finished the program. Attended means went to.
I graduated from MIT in 2020. I earned my bachelor's degree in psychology. I attended Harvard.
Excited expression. Talking about future plans.
I plan to. I intend to. I aim to. I hope to. I aspire to.
Plan to shows definite intention. Intend to is similar, slightly formal.
Aim to means set as target. Aspire to means have ambition for. Hope to is less certain.
I plan to apply to medical school. I intend to pursue a PhD. I aspire to become a professor.
Explaining motivation.
My goal is to, I want to, I'm motivated to, I'm passionate about, I'm driven to.
My goal is to clearly states objective. Passionate about shows enthusiasm.
Driven to shows strong internal motivation. Determined to shows resolve.
My goal is to become fluent. I'm passionate about education. I'm determined to succeed.
Now let's learn vocabulary for describing academic performance.
This is important for applications and interviews.
GPA, grade point average, academic achievement, honors, distinction, dean's list.
GPA, or grade point average, measures academic performance. In US, usually 0 to 4.0 scale.
Honors means high achievement. With distinction means excellent. Dean's List is top students.
I graduated with honors. I maintained a 3.8 GPA. I made the Dean's List.
Academic success vocabulary.
Excel, succeed, thrive, perform well, achieve excellence, demonstrate proficiency.
Excel means do extremely well. Thrive means flourish and succeed.
Perform well is general good performance. Achieve excellence is reaching high standards.
I excelled in mathematics. She thrives in challenging environments. He demonstrated proficiency.
Scholarships and awards.
Scholarship, grant, fellowship, award, recognition, merit-based, need-based.
Scholarship is money for education based on merit or need.
Grant is money that doesn't need repayment. Fellowship supports graduate research.
Merit-based means based on achievement. Need-based means based on financial situation.
I received a scholarship. I was awarded a research grant. I won the fellowship.
Research and academic work.
Conduct research, write a thesis, complete a dissertation, publish papers, present findings.
Conduct research means perform academic investigation. Thesis is master's research paper.
Dissertation is PhD research, much longer. Publish papers means put research in journals.
I'm conducting research on climate change. I'm writing my thesis. I published 3 papers. Now let's talk about how we learn, learning styles and strategies.
Learning styles.
Visual learner, auditory learner, kinesthetic learner, reading/writing learner, hands-on learning.
Visual learner learns by seeing pictures, diagrams, videos.
Auditory learner learns by hearing, lectures, discussions, podcasts.
Kinesthetic learner learns by doing, touching, moving, practicing.
I'm a visual learner. She's an auditory learner. He learns best through hands-on practice.
Study strategies and methods.
Active learning, passive learning, self-study, collaborative learning, independent study.
Active learning means engaging directly, discussing, practicing, teaching others.
Passive learning means receiving information, listening, watching, reading.
Self-study means learning alone. Collaborative learning means learning with others.
I prefer active learning. I'm good at self-study. We used collaborative learning.
Specific study techniques.
Spaced repetition, mnemonics, practice tests, flashcards, note-taking, mind mapping.
Spaced repetition means reviewing at increasing intervals. Very effective.
Mnemonics are memory tricks. Practice tests prepare you for exams.
Flashcards help memorize. Mind mapping creates visual connections.
I use spaced repetition. Flashcards help me memorize. I create mind maps.
Time management and discipline.
Stay focused. Remain disciplined. Manage time effectively. Prioritize tasks. Avoid procrastination.
Stay focused means maintain concentration. Remain disciplined means keep good habits.
Manage time effectively means use time wisely. Avoid procrastination means don't delay.
I need to stay focused. I'm working on time management. I'm avoiding procrastination.
Continuous improvement.
Lifelong learning, continuous education, professional development, upskill, reskill.
Lifelong learning means never stop learning. Continuous education means ongoing learning.
Professional development means improving work skills. Upskill means learn new skills.
Reskill means learn completely different skills.
I believe in lifelong learning. I'm investing in professional development. I'm upskilling.
Learning is a journey, not a destination.
Education never truly ends. Big smile holding diploma. What an educational episode about educational goals.
Excited expression, holding books. We covered so much valuable vocabulary.
Counting on fingers enthusiastically. We learned types of goals, action verbs, describing our journey, academic achievement, and learning strategies.
Adding with bright expression. From pursue a degree to lifelong learning, everything you need.
Leaning forward with encouraging look. Your homework this week. Write your educational goals in English.
Excited gesture. Use the vocabulary we learned. I want to. I plan to. My goal is to.
Demonstrating. Write 3 short-term goals and 3 long-term goals. Be specific.
Short term, this year. Long term, 3 to 5 years.
Don't just think about degrees. Include skills, languages, knowledge.
Improve my English. Develop leadership skills. Learn programming.
Use action verbs. Achieve, develop, enhance, master.
Make your goals SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound.
Then share your goals with someone. Speaking them makes them real.
Tell a friend, family member, or teacher in English.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
If this episode inspired you, share it with fellow learners.
And subscribe. We're helping you reach your goals.
Keep learning, keep growing.
Until next time, pursue your dreams.
Achieve your goals.
Education is the key to your future.
You can achieve anything.
Goals, work hard, succeed.
See you next week.
Keep striving. Goodbye.